Have you noticed that there is almost too much information available on the internet on making money online for you to know where to start or which sources are reliable? This is too confusing. So join us to watch our video as we present the best approach to make money online, which you can implement right away to start making legit money. Regardless of your level of experience, we offer professional advice, detailed methods, and insightful information to transform your potential for online income. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Now, let's start your thrilling adventure to financial freedom and watch your bank account grow. In the digital age, making money online has become an enticing prospect for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. Harnessing the potential of affiliate marketing and strategic advertising can pave the way for a lucrative online venture. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential steps, from diving into the world of affiliate marketing to implementing targeted advertising strategies that drive a surge of visitors to your website. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where affiliates promote your products or services, earning a commission for each sale or action generated through their unique referral links. The power of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has proven to be a formidable tool for businesses aiming to expand their online presence. The concept is simple: that affiliates promote your products or services on their platforms, and in return, they earn a commission for every successful sale or action generated through their efforts. This model is advantageous for various reasons. Affiliates bring in a diverse audience, leveraging their unique content and engaged followers. The inherent trust between affiliates and their audience can significantly boost conversion rates, as recommendations from trusted sources carry more weight. Transitioning to strategic advertising. While affiliate marketing can drive targeted traffic, strategic advertising complements this by offering more control and precision in audience targeting. Paid advertising allows you to specify demographics, interests, and behaviors of your desired audience, ensuring your message reaches those most likely to involve in your content. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offers advanced targeting options. By strategically placing ads based on user behavior, preferences, and search history, you can increase the likelihood of attracting visitors genuinely interested in your offerings. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Finding synergy. Combining affiliate marketing and advertising. Identify high-performing affiliates. Analyze your affiliate data to identify partners who consistently drive quality traffic. These affiliates can become valuable collaborators in your advertising efforts. Leverage affiliate insights. Learn from your affiliates' audience insights. Understand what resonates with their followers and incorporate these insights into your ad creatives and targeting strategies. Coordinated campaigns. Coordinate advertising campaigns with your affiliates to maximize impact. For example, run targeted ads on platforms where your affiliates have a strong presence, reinforcing the message and increasing brand visibility. Provide exclusive offers. Encourage your affiliates to promote exclusive offers available only through their channels. This creates a sense of exclusivity and urgency, driving more traffic to your website. Measuring success and refining strategies. To maximize the effectiveness of this combined approach, it's crucial to continuously monitor and analyze performance metrics. Track the success of both your affiliate marketing and advertising campaigns. Pay attention to key performance indicators, KPIs, such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and customer acquisition costs. Continuous optimization. Regularly assess the performance of your affiliate marketing and advertising campaigns. Refine your strategies based on data, allocating resources to channels and affiliates that consistently deliver results. Refine your strategies based on the data gathered. If certain affiliates consistently drive high-quality traffic, consider allocating more resources to support their efforts. Similarly, adjust your advertising targeting parameters based on the audience segments that show the most interactions. As we conclude this journey through the realms of affiliate marketing and strategic advertising, you now hold the keys to unlocking the vast potential of making money online. Remember, it's not about choosing one path over the other, it's about the harmonious fusion of affiliate marketing and targeted advertising that propels your online venture to new heights. By cultivating strong relationships with affiliates, crafting compelling advertisements, and finding synergy between these two powerful strategies, you're creating a dynamic ecosystem that will attract many viewers. The journey doesn't end here. It evolves as you continuously refine and adapt your approach based on real-time data and insights. As you embark on this adventure, stay curious, stay innovative, and most importantly, stay committed to providing value. Your online success story is waiting to unfold, driven by the synergy of affiliate partnerships and strategic advertising. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on your journey to financial success. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, we would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the best manual to make money online.